My name is Duininck, and I'm the current president of Duininck Incorporated, which is a third-generation construction company based out of Princeburg, Minnesota. We've been in business since 1926, so we're celebrating our 96th year this year, and we've just got a lot of great employees and a great company. As a third-generation owner, I worked in the shop since I was 15. I've been in construction my whole life. The thing I enjoy the most about it is just the people. Our motto is building strong communities since 1926. And that's the really enjoyable piece of the job, is that we can give back to the community in which we live. We recently made the decision to exit the bridge construction market. We just realized that the bridge industry was ultra competitive and the risk reward just wasn't there for us. The reason that we decided to have an auction on this equipment was just that, to really clean up some inventory, to sell some equipment that was no longer getting utilized. We made the decision that we wanted to team up with BigIron because of their connection with NUCA, the National Utility Contractor Association. It's an important association to us, and this was an opportunity for us to team up with BigIron and NUCA. We've got H-pile, we've all kinds of piling. We have pile drivers that we're going to be selling, so a couple cranes, a lot of miscellaneous tools, welders, some lifting harnesses, straps, all kinds of miscellaneous materials that you would use in building bridges. But also, there's a lot of hand tools, so all kinds of miscellaneous tools that can be used in both agricultural applications, construction applications, or just fill up your home shop. And we also have some fleet on this auction. So we're selling a number of pickups that are a little bit older and be really good farm truck or just use around the yard. Also are selling an enclosed van trailer and a number of containers. Come join us on September 20th. We're going to be having an open house where you can come and take a look at all the inventory, look at how things are set up. BigIron's done a really good job of spreading things out and making it understandable what you're looking at and putting the lots together. So on the 20th is an open house all day. You're welcome to come and check things out here in Spicer, Minnesota. And then the auction is actually held the following day on September 21st, which is an online auction. We look forward to your participation.